Friday is an ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day again for the cold. However, we will have more snow that comes on the onset of that cold later today. Until then, your Thursday is another mild one. Temperatures back above freezing for much of the day from about noon into the mid-afternoon. So we'll have another period of melting before we start to add more snow into the mix tonight. Here's a quick look at what things feel like throughout the day. Again, not bad. We're feeling above zero throughout the day, which is good news. And then once we get to the afternoon, again, feeling like maybe freezing or above. But as we head into Friday and Saturday, those are our two ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert days with wind chills at points, especially in the morning, as cold as 15 to 20 below. Feels like temperatures on Sunday morning still cold, but we're going to warm back into the 30s. So we'll let our ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day lapse there heading into Sunday. So only 2 days that we're focused on for the cold. But as I mentioned, there's something else to add to this as well. We'll be tracking potential for snow this morning. A chance for a few flurries are possible. Realistically, though, a lot of dry air is eating that up before it gets to the ground. So we don't expect really any impact this morning. We will be watching some mid-morning sunshine before high clouds return ahead of that next round of snow off to the northwest. By 3 o'clock, we're still dry, but we're watching that snow approach. And by 6 to 7 o'clock, that snow is moving in our northwestern counties, making its way towards Colombia to California, maybe even Mexico by around 7 p.m. Jefferson City, maybe next hour or so after that by around 8 o'clock or so. But again, evening snow showers. This will bring some minor accumulations, especially north of I-70. You see, that's where the snow is a little bit better in coverage. We could see snow, though, reach as far south as Warsaw, Osage Beach, Rolla, Fort Leonard Wood. On the very southern edge, we don't expect accumulations there, maybe a trace, maybe a light dusting, but our better chance for actual accumulating snow is going to be north of I-70. And then dangerous cold again sets on in. We'll have temperatures in the single digits for much of your Friday. And then we're looking at that same type of cold lingering into Saturday morning and then Saturday afternoon. Remember, we don't warm up again until Sunday. How about that snow? That snow that falls will likely stick around throughout your weekend as that cold sets in. We're looking at generally a trace being possible across the map. Where you start to see a trace or higher totals, again, is going to be north of I-70. This is where we could get up to an inch. I think we're looking at a better chance of 2 inches north of us. We've pulled that back a little bit. It doesn't look like we have really much real chance near Macon or Paris to see much more than an inch. So again, the cold is going to be the focus. We're looking at snow on Thursday. Heading into Friday and Saturday, the focus is going to be on our ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert days for cold, and then we'll watch rain return on Monday.